Yes, yesterday I have explained about the image formed by the convex lens and characteristic of image formed by the convex lens. Today topic, that is image formed by the concave lens. Okay, in that case there are only two cases: when object placed at infinity, second when object placed beyond 2f1. First case, when object placed at infinity, means light rays are parallel to each other and it is strike on the concave lens, and these light rays diverge, refracted, means diverge after the refraction. And when we are seeing these light rays from this point, we observe that these are coming from this point, that is a point focus. Okay, so these light rays are appear to meet at this point. What are the characteristic of image? It means image found at this point. Characteristic of image, this one is the first point here, this one, first point is there, uh, that is first point is there. This one is the object placed at infinity, and image formed at focus, and the size of image, it is extremely small. Size of image, it is extremely small, that is extremely small. And next, that is virtual and erect, means light rays are appear to meet at this point, so that is virtual. When image is virtual, it means that is erect. And second case, when object placed beyond 2f1, means object, you can put the object between, means anywhere else, infinity and focus. So one light ray is parallel to the principal axis. After the refraction, it diverges, it is diverging, the light ray. Another light ray, and it is passing through an optical center. So these are intersecting at this point, so that form the image of the object that lie between the f1 and optical center. It means image found between the focus and optical center. In that case, characteristic of this point is this one, between the O and X, means object placed between the O and X. X lies beyond the C1. O means optical center, that is the optical center. Object, the position of object lies between the X, O and X, means O optical center, X means that is infinity, X lies beyond the C1, C1 के beyond कहीं पर भी है. Means image found between the F1 and O1, O, F1 and O, and is small in size, and again it is a virtual and erect size of image. Here in that case there are only two cases, and the position, size, image, nature of the image formed can be summarized in the form of table. Okay, next, that is also a very important part here, means sign convention. There is a sign convention for lenses. When we are solving the questions, numerical questions, then there is a lot of application of the sign convention. Without sign convention, we cannot solve the questions which are based on the lens formula and for the magnification. First of all, there are few rules. First of all, object is placed on left of the lens. The light must fall on the lens from left to right. Means that is the first case. Here you can understand all the distances are parallel to the principal axis are measured from optical center. Means this one is a point. All the distances along the principal axis, along this principal axis, measured from the optical center. In that case also, that is the optical center, and distance measured along the principal axis from this point in that direction or in that direction. Okay, first point. Next, second point, the distance measured along the direction of incident ray is taken as positive. It is the object or light ray is traveling from left to right. That is the left to right. So the distance, but we distance measure from this point to in that direction. Object distance, that is u, which is negative because we measure the distance from this point O, so it is negative. When we are measuring the distance from point O to F2 or to F2, means in that direction, that is positive. It means that is positive direction. Clear? In that case also means that distance is negative and in this distance is positive. Second point, the distance measured above the principal axis in that direction, this one distance, that is always is positive. It is always it is positive, but below the principal axis in that direction, in downward direction, it is negative. Means suppose the distance like that, means suppose this one is like that, this one is a size of this image, size of image, this image, that is always negative. Clear? Next, again we have summarized. In case of a convex lens, that is a lens, object distance is negative, image distance means that is v, object distance generally denoted by u, and image distance v. Real, for a real it is positive and for virtual it is negative, and focal length it is positive. Height of the object it is positive because above the principal axis, above the principal axis, and height of the image for a real it is negative, for virtual it is a positive. Means if image found here in that direction, that is negative. If image found virtual image, there is a virtual image यहीं पर बन रही है, it means that is positive. In case of a concave lens, object distance it is negative, means image found by the concave lens is always that is a virtual, so it is negative. Means image distance that is negative, it means in that direction, and focal length negative. Height of the object means that is positive, means above the principal axis, and height of the image that is positive. Concave lens always from the virtual image. Okay.